Question: write a program in Python to compare two values stored in variables x and y, respectively. Print which of the variables contains the largest value. Also, explain the program after showing it. Answer: here is a simple Python program that compares two variables x and y and prints out which variable contains the largest value. Explanation of the program. Variable initialization. The program starts by assigning values to two variables x and y. In this example, x is assigned 10 and y is assigned 20. You can change these values to test different scenarios. Comparison. Using conditional statements. The program uses if, elif, and else statements to compare the values of x and y. The if x is greater than y then colon line checks if the value of x is greater than the value of y. If this condition is true, it executes the indented line below it, printing x is greater than y, and then the program ends. If the first condition, if x is greater than y, is not true, the program checks the next condition with elif, if x is less than y. This line checks if x is less than y. If this condition is true, it prints y is greater than x, and then the program ends. If neither the if nor the elif conditions are true, which means x is neither greater than nor less than y, then the else part is executed. This part prints x and y are equal because the only remaining possibility is that both variables hold the same value. Print statements. Depending on which condition is met, a corresponding print statement is executed, which outputs the result of the comparison to the console. This simple structure ensures that all possibilities, x greater, y greater, or both equal, are considered and appropriately handled. Question: write a program in Python to compare three values stored in variables x, y, and z, respectively. Print which of the variables contains the largest value. Also, explain the program after showing it. Answer: here is a Python program that compares three variables x, y, and z and prints out which variable contains the largest value. Explanation of the program. Variable initialization. The program begins by assigning values to the variables x, y, and z. In the provided example, x is 15, y is 20, and z is 10. These values can be varied to test different conditions and scenarios. Comparison using conditional statements. The program uses a series of if, elif, and else statements to compare the values stored in x, y, and z. The first condition, if x greater than y and x greater than z, checks if x is greater than both y and z. If this condition is true, it means that x is the largest of the three variables. The program then prints x is the largest value and concludes the comparisons. If the first condition is not met, that is, x is not the largest, then the program moves to the condition elif y greater than x and y greater than z. This checks if y is greater than both x and z. If this condition is true, y is the largest, and the program prints y is the largest value. If the both first and second conditions are not met, then the program moves to the third condition, elif z greater than x and z greater than y. This checks if z is greater than both x and y. If this condition is true, z is the largest, and the program prints z is the largest value. If neither x nor y and not even z are determined to be the largest, the else block is executed. This block does not check any further, and therefore it prints none is the largest value. This also means at least two largest values in two of the variables are equal to each other. Logical operators. The AND operator in the if and elif conditions ensures that both comparisons must be true for the block of code beneath them to execute. This logical conjunction is crucial for correctly identifying the largest value when all three variables may hold different values. This structured approach allows the program to correctly identify and announce the largest of the three values, ensuring that all potential scenarios, each variable being the largest, or ties, are adequately handled.
Hello viewers, my name is Santanu Karmakar. I am the maker of this video. I am teaching video content making, Python, and Java. If any of these is one of your needs, the links are available in the description, and you may take a look at that.